Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out the best Lumary 4-inch smart Wi-Fi recessed lights, a smart lighting solution that's redefining modern home ambiance. Let's start with what makes these lights truly smart. First off, voice control. These SikSog recessed lights are fully compatible with Alexa. Just say, "Alexa, find the device," and you're ready to control your lighting with simple voice commands. Want to dim the lights for a movie night, change the color for a party, or brighten things up while cooking? All you need is your voice. But it doesn't stop at voice control. These 12-watt downlights deliver 1000 lumens of crisp, customizable light. You get access to 16 million static RGB colors and tunable white temperatures ranging from 2700K to 6000K. That means you can switch between warm white, sunlight, or cool white to match the mood, whether you're meditating, working, gaming, or relaxing. The installation is seamless. These lights come with a junction box and require no can, they're fully canless. The outer diameter is 4.7 inches and fits ceiling cutouts between 3.1 to 4.7 inches. With a minimum depth requirement of just 1.57 inches, it's easy to retrofit into existing setups. Whether it's your living room, home office, bathroom, or even a bar or restaurant, these lights are versatile enough to fit any space. Now let's talk control. No Wi-Fi? No problem. These lights use Bluetooth 5.0 mesh technology and are controlled via the BR Mesh app. Simply download the app, turn on Bluetooth, and your phone connects to the lights instantly. No account, no internet, no hassle. That mesh network ensures a reliable, fast response without affecting your home Wi-Fi. The BR Mesh app is loaded with features. You can dim lights from 1% to 100%, choose colors, set dynamic lighting modes, and even group multiple lights together for simultaneous control. Up to 125 lights can be connected in a single mesh network, ideal for whole home synchronization. One of the coolest features is the DIY scene and music sync function. You can create personalized lighting scenes for different moods or activities and trigger them with a single tap. And let's not forget energy efficiency. At just 12 watts, these LED lights are cost-effective without compromising brightness. They also support flicker-free performance and full dimming, making them great for everyday use as well as those special occasions. Now, a quick note. Although these lights are an Amazon's Choice product and have strong specs, they currently do not ship to all locations, so be sure to check availability for your region. So, who are these lights for? If you're building a smart home, want immersive lighting without dealing with hubs, or just love the flexibility of changing your lighting to match your vibe, this 12-pack of SikSog recessed lights is a great investment. That wraps up this review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more smart home reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and light up smarter.